Hello my favorite people. So I'm here to clear the air about hydroquinone. Okay, some of you are sending me a message asking me why am I so against hydroquinone? Why am I against the use of hydroquinone? If it's that bad, how come skincare specialists, how come dermatologists, they recommend it to treat hyperpigmentation? I'm not against the use of hydroquinone, but I am against using a very high percentage when it comes to most of those skin bleaching cream that I preach against. Yeah, they use very high percentage. Okay, and this is why I want to do this video, more like to clear the air about hydroquinone. So I'll be talking about what hydroquinone is, what percentage is safe to use on your skin, how to use it, who should use it and who shouldn't, what skin type should use it and what skin type shouldn't use it. I will talk about what not to use hydroquinone with, what ingredient that you should never ever mix with hydroquinone, and side effects of abusive use of hydroquinone. Okay, but before then, if you're visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Chikelly. I am a certified esthetician and my channel is everything skincare. So I teach skincare, I recommend skincare products, and I do some DIY as well. So make sure you watch my other videos and don't forget to click this subscribe button, that red button there that says subscribe. Yes, click that button and subscribe. Share this video, please share it, and the like button, like it. How can you watch my video and you not like? Is that fair? Is that fair? Click the like button and like it so that it will reach a lot of people. Okay, and my regular visitors, I love you so much. Thank you for your support. Now let's talk about hydroquinone. Hi, I'm so looking forward to this video. It's gonna be juicy. So hydroquinone is a skin lightener. It's an ingredient that lightens your skin, more like decreases the appearance of hyperpigmentation, and it does this by inhibiting the production of tyrosinase. Tyrosinase is an enzyme that produces that is responsible for melanin production, because melanin is what gives you your skin color. Okay, and so if you like suffering from hyperpigmentation, hydroquinone is one of the ingredients that you can use to decrease the appearance of hyperpigmentation on your skin. So it's more like I call it a skin bleaching ingredient. Yeah. Now, what percentage is safe to use on your skin? So according to dermatologists and skincare specialists, 2 to 4% is the highest that you can use on your skin. Okay, and as this video goes along, I will tell you why you have to stick to that 2 to 4% because of the side effects, which I'll be mentioning in this video. So 2 to 4% is the recommended prescription or dosage that any dermatologist or skincare specialist out there that knows what they are doing can recommend for you to treat your hyperpigmentation. So before you consider using hydroquinone, you need to consult a skincare specialist. The reason is because it's not recommended, in as much as it's suitable for all skin types, but it's not recommended mainly for people with dry skin or sensitive skin, because it can cause skin irritation. It can cause irritation on your skin. Another thing is, if hydroquinone is not prescribed for you, like if you just go and buy hydroquinone in a drugstore, if it's not the recommended dosage and you use it, especially people that has deeper skin tone, so we call them like the brown and black skin type, hydroquinone can cause you more problem than you actually have. Okay, so before you use it, make sure you consult a skincare specialist or a dermatologist to recommend the right prescription for you to treat your hyperpigmentation. So another reason why you have to use hydroquinone in a responsible way is because it can end up causing you skin problem called ochronosis. Ochronosis is more like the blue-black, patch that you get on your skin, more like the darkening of skin, and it can be irreversible if it is severe. Okay, I'm not joking. Abusive use of hydroquinone can cause you that skin problem, ochronosis, and it's not a very nice thing to look at. As you can see in this picture, it's not a very nice thing to look at. So you have to be very, very careful that you're using hydroquinone that is prescribed by a skincare specialist, especially people that has darker skin tone, brown, black skin. You have to be very careful when you're using hydroquinone. Now, if your hydroquinone is prescribed by a skincare specialist or a dermatologist, it's the best because they will tell you the length of time that you have to use it. I'll be mentioning in this video of the side effects of prolonged use of hydroquinone. And for those of you that are confused of some of the things that I said about hydroquinone in my videos regarding skin bleaching, those the hydroquinone that are in those creams, most of them are like more than 10%. That's why I said to you that if you want to use hydroquinone, make sure it's a prescribed one by a skincare specialist. Don't just go buy any hydroquinone you see in the drugstore because it can cause you more harm than good. So the length of time that you should use hydroquinone ranges from the likes of 6 weeks to about 12 weeks, or if it's more than that, you should not use hydroquinone more than 16 weeks. The reason is because a prolonged use of hydroquinone will cause you more harm than good on your skin. Okay, so at least after about 3 to 6 weeks, you should begin to notice a huge difference in your hyperpigmentation. You should start decreasing the appearance of your hyperpigmentation if it's a prescribed one. That's why you need to get hydroquinone that is prescribed. I keep saying prescribe because I have a lot of clients that their skin is damaged from the use of hydroquinone. That's why I'm so particular when I say make sure you use a prescribed one. Now, there are ingredients that should never ever be mixed with hydroquinone. The likes of AHAs, glycolic acid, lactic acid, citric acid should not be used with hydroquinone because it will cause you your skin problem, irritation, burning, loads and loads of problems. So it should not be used with any AHAs. Okay, now benzoyl peroxide should not be used with hydroquinone. Hydrogen peroxide should not be used with hydroquinone because of irritation and burn, because it can burn your skin. Okay, while you're using hydroquinone, it's very important that you lather your skin with enough sunscreen, because hydroquinone and sun, they're like two enemies. If you don't protect your skin from the sun, when that radiation hits your skin, it's going to cause that black darkening, the ochronosis that we talked about, okay, or even more rediness and itchiness, dryness and peeling of skin and all that. It can happen if you get a sunburn from using hydroquinone and not protecting your skin from the sun. It's usually advised that you avoid using hydroquinone while if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, because whatever it is that you put on your skin gets absorbed. Like 30 to 45% of it gets absorbed through your bloodstream. So using hydroquinone is really not good for you to use it if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, okay, because so that it will not cause you health issues or your child. Side effects of wrongful use of hydroquinone. I've talked about it in some of my videos. High percentage of hydroquinone will cause you exogenous ochronosis. Yeah, exogenous ochronosis, which is the blue-black darkening of skin, or if like more like blue-gray problem that you get on your skin. That's side effect. Severe stretch marks. You can get very bad itch, redness, burn. Okay, thinning of skin as well is one of the side effects of using hydroquinone the wrong way. Abusive use, anything that is too much is not good. Food, anything that you put on your skin or your body that is too much is definitely not good for you. Okay, now I hope I've cleared the air regarding hydroquinone. I said to myself, I need to do this video so that I'll just explain myself very well to some of you that are confused of what I was saying about hydroquinone. I hope you understand now that I'm not against the use of hydroquinone. I'm not against it. If you want to use it to treat hyperpigmentation, use it the right way. Use it the right way. I love you so much, my viewers. I want you to have good skin. I want you to come back and say, look, your advice helped me with my skin and all that. I don't want you to end up with bad skin. I don't like it because I love you. If you're watching my channels, we're having fun. We're looking after our skin. I have to tell you the truth. I don't cut corners when it comes to skincare. I tell you how it is, okay? I don't know everything about skincare, but the little knowledge that I have, I come here and I tell you. But it's up to you to listen to what I say to you, okay? And I'm sure if you take one or two of the advice, it will help you. It will help your skin to look good. Thank you so much, my favorite people. And don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and click the like button and like this video. Take care of your skin, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Mwah.